Hi, this is Tamalika, and today's video is going to be about decluttering your bag for summers. So, this is my bag. It's from Mochi. It's visible? Yeah. It's from Mochi. It was a birthday gift to my sister from her office last year. And as I was too reluctant to buy a new bag, and I was on with my life using a really worn out bag, my sister kind of did a little charity with this, and this bag is perfect. I mean, this is so my color palette. But the sad part is, whenever I use a bag, I use it till I suck the life out of it. And as you can see, it's already wearing off. But I don't know if I should blame the brand because I really use it rigorously. I have added two charms. These are two bracelets. One gifted to me by my 11-year-old neighbor, and the other one is handcrafted by one of my really cute niece. I also had managed to get a mehendi stain on my bag, which was pretty damn permanent. It wasn't going off with any amount of soap water or nail polish thinner. So I added this used pimple patch, and I think this looks cute. Starting off with my wallet. I love how Judy it is. I used to use a bigger wallet, but I recently switched to a smaller one. And I really want to also quickly show you my last wallet and the condition I left. Like this used to be my last wallet. This is where I took this wallet to, but I think it served me well. I used it for years. Yeah, so my wallet goes in. Next up would be my very minimal accessories pouch, and things I fit in here are mandatory bindi. You know me, you know it. An eyelash curler because this can transform me from a potato to a potato chip. Of course, in summers, I'm always wearing sleeveless. This comes really handy. A lip and cheek tint from Just Herbs. Look at the condition of the box. I mean the container. I think they should really work on the container because I don't know if people are carrying them, but I carry them in my bags, and it's clearly not meant for that. A nail cutter, a nude lip tint, again from Just Herbs. These were samples that I got free with some kit. And of course, a couple of safety pins, some pins, some random coins, a very tiny deodorant sample from Just Herbs again. The last few things are this mascara from Sugar. Again, I only use it if I'm going to someplace nice from work. I don't use it daily. I'm just not a makeup person. I barely do my skincare and just leave for office. And blush comes under my skincare, but this doesn't. This is makeup for me. Moisturizer. More than winters, I don't know. I have a tendency to keep splashing water on my face if I'm outside, and it quickly even dries out the face. So yeah, this is handy for me there. And of course, a sunscreen. This is from Beeple. So this goes in. There's one more thing that I keep in my bag is this Wick Sleek Sanfe. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. Like I have a lot of baby hair around my scalp, so this helps me to get that Wick Sleek look when I'm going out again. In office, I really don't care. I look like a ghost, and people are used to it already. So this, along with a pocket comb, all goes in the bigger pocket. Also putting in my pimple patch. This is something I hardly use, only when I'm going somewhere nice from office. I think I become so shameless that I don't care if I have like a pimple or my baby hair out in office. I mean, people who have had jobs for a long time can relate, but people who have recently joined in new jobs, please try to like maintain that clean girl image for the first few months, and then you can go wild. Moving on, compact mirror. This is magical. This is magical. The next item is this. That again, another thing that I just can never survive without. I can't even sleep without it. Like, I don't know the number of times I apply it on my lips, because otherwise I will have 4 lips. Like, it will. I don't think I should have told that. Sunglasses. That, of course, I don't need much because I live very close to my office and I travel by Uber, but still I like to keep it handy because I just can't take a risk with sunglasses, because the moment the sun hits this area of my, like, it starts paining so badly that I can't keep my eyes open. I don't know what it is called, but it's painful. So sunglasses, it's just not a fashion statement for me. It's like necessity. And the darker it is, the better for me. Next up would be my medical essentials, the basics, a sanitary napkin, my period heating pad, which only works on mild cramps for me, because mild cramps are wild. And a chotusa ambulance, isn't it cute? And this has a pocket that stores my basic medicines. Basically, they are all catering to my period needs. And the last couple of things are my keys, which has a very interesting keychain. This is basically also a mobile phone holder. This was gifted to me by a very close friend of mine. The last thing I can't survive without, my earphones. I somehow couldn't move on to the Bluetooth one because the forgetful person I am, I'm sure I wouldn't be able to survive with that for even a day. This should be the last one. Some toffees, because I like surprises, and when I'm bored or I really want to have something sweet, I have a sweet craving, if I search in my bag and I find a toffee, I might become so happy. And here it is, a bag ready to beat the summer of Delhi. Yeah, that is for today's video. Ouch. I know all the corporate girlies, you guys are also carrying your laptops, and probably people who are traveling a distance for their office are also carrying their water bottles. I don't do that because I'm like, my office is literally 5-7 minutes away. That is for today's video, and this is the first time I made a video without a script, and I will make more of such videos because I have to get used to talking, which I really am bad at. And yeah, that is the that is the main reason behind why I'm making these videos. But I'm also enjoying sharing such things, and because I myself feed on such things. Please do let me know what are your basics that goes inside your summer office bag. And I have a different lunch bag that takes care of my lunch and smoothies. Yeah, so that's it for this video. Take care, and I'll see you in the next part.